Equifax sent lenders incorrect credit scores for millions of people this spring. This week, the company announced a tech glitch that may have kept some people from getting loans.
And experts say it's a reminder that consumers should routinely check their credit history for suspicious activity or errors. Jen Sullivan tells us more.
Equifax is reeling from a tech glitch earlier this year, which could have led to higher rates for some or even prevented others from getting loans.
In 31 years in this industry, I've never seen anything like this happen.
The credit giant says it sent lenders incorrect credit scores for millions of people in the spring during a period of about 3 weeks, blaming it on a coding issue.
This has nothing to do with data breaches. This has nothing to do with erroneous information.
Credit expert John Olsheimer says some of those errors were pretty significant. According to Equifax, 300,000 consumers saw a differential of at least 25 points. But the company said there was no shift in the vast majority of scores and that credit reports were not affected. So, how do you find out if you're impacted? Experts say getting a denial letter is the first clue.
Is if they actually did apply for some form of credit during March and April of this year, and they were denied, or what's referred to as being adversely approved, meaning that they were approved, but they did not get the lender's best terms.
It's always best advice to constantly check reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian are letting consumers check their credit reports for free once a week through the end of 2022 at annualcreditreport.com. Then experts say take inventory. Check for any suspicious activity or errors, any information that doesn't belong to you, and then challenge the credit firms to investigate. For today's Consumer Watch, I'm Jen Sullivan.